Creating a joyful, inviting space for the holiday season transforms your home into a cozy wonderland that welcomes the magic of Christmas. Let's dive into how you can deck the halls with inspired ideas that will make your home the perfect setting for holiday cheer. Start with the entryway, where first impressions are made. A lush garland around the doorway brings life to your entrance. Go beyond the usual greens by adding pennicones, red berries, or miniature ornaments for texture and color. Layered doormats, like a holiday-themed one over a plaid mat, also set the festive tone right from the doorstep. If you have a porch, drape garlands along railings or hang wreaths on windows. Every home needs a focal point, and the Christmas tree takes center stage. Choose a theme, whether classic red and gold, a winter wonderland with icy blues and silvers, or a nostalgic vintage look with handmade ornaments. Layering the tree with lights first, then garlands or ribbons, and finally, ornaments of various sizes will give it a full and cohesive look. Don't forget a meaningful topper like a star or angel to crown your masterpiece. The fireplace mantle offers endless decorating opportunities. Try draping a garland across the mantle, adding layers like eucalyptus, holly, or mistletoe to give it depth. Place festive candles or lanterns at varying heights for a soft, warm glow. For a unique twist, incorporate personal items like small picture frames or holiday cards to give it a personal touch. For a holiday gathering, an inviting dining table sets the tone. Go for an elegant centerpiece using a combination of candles, ornaments, and fresh greenery. If you're aiming for a traditional look, use red and gold accents. To keep things modern, go for monochromatic decor, like all white or metallic accents. For a cozy, cabin-like atmosphere, use pennicones and burlap. Holiday decor in the kitchen adds a sprinkle of cheer to the heart of the home. Hang a wreath in the kitchen window or add small touches like holiday-themed towels and mini trees. You can also decorate a tiered tray with Christmas mugs, candy canes, and small ornaments, making it a functional yet festive element. Extend the holiday spirit to your bedroom with cozy, festive bedding, plaid or knit blankets, and Christmas-themed throw pillows instantly make the space feel warmer. Drape string lights over the headboard or around a bedroom mirror for a soft, comforting glow. Adding a mini Christmas tree on the dresser or nightstand brings a magical holiday touch. Windows are often overlooked but can be stunning focal points. Hang snowflake cutouts, fox icicles, or string lights along the window frame. A row of mini wreaths or ornaments hanging from ribbons along a window can also create an elegant display. For a cozy feel, add frosted spray or window decals that mimic snowflakes. Decking the staircase in garlands and lights creates a natural flow through your home. Use a combination of evergreen branches, fairy lights, and ribbon to weave along the banister. This touch adds continuity to your decor, guiding guests through each space. For a more rustic look, use natural burlap ribbons or pennicones to add warmth and texture. Candlelight embodies the coziness of the season. Create magical displays using candles of various heights, mixed with ornaments or greenery. Line them on a mantel, shelf, or entryway table. For safety and convenience, consider using battery-operated candles that mimic the warm flicker of real flames, especially in high-traffic areas. Miniature Christmas trees are perfect for adding a hint of holiday charm to small spaces. Place one on the dining table, the coffee table, or even in the bathroom. Decorate them with small ornaments, ribbon, or fairy lights to fit your decor theme. Miniatures can also extend to tiny winter villages, complete with miniature houses, trees, and tiny figures. If you have vintage ornaments or decorations that have been passed down, let them take the spotlight. Retro items like ceramic trees, glass ornaments, or hand-knit stockings not only add charm but also bring memories and nostalgia. Mixing these items with modern decor can create a unique, layered look. Add personal touches to make your decor feel unique to your family. This could be through custom ornaments with names, a DIY advent calendar, or framed photos from past Christmases. Another fun idea is to create a holiday message board where family members can add their holiday wishes or favorite memories each day. In addition to twinkling tree lights, add ambience with string lights throughout your home. Drape them over